Hey guys, this is a Helmetman tutorial on how not to get killed by serial killers in a forest with your friends. Now we have our friend Cinnabon here and our friend Jay here. The serial killer is not yet here. We called him. He didn't arrive. Right, guys?
He didn't arrive.
I didn't. I'm not.
Yeah, serial
Yes.
killer for hire.
Yeah. Exactly.
The rates were
So.
like, you had to choose the lower option.
Exactly.
Plague doctor or something. I don't
Okay,
know.
so you're the haunted plague doctor. So, okay, me and Jay will be the people hiding. Follow my tutorial instructions, Jay. This is important. Okay, so, what we're gonna do here, guys, is... I'm gonna switch.
Okay, I can't.
Okay, so now that I'm in first-person view, we can get this game on. So, Cinnamon, go run away like you're a serial killer, alrighty?
He runs away like a serial killer.
As if you are. Jay, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to split up. But when we split up, this is very important. You're going to want to stay still. But make sure you're just out of sight of me. Got it? That way I can't see you to protect you.
So I'm hiding from you while you're hiding from him? What?
Look, if I was hiding... If you saw me, then you might be able to tell if I was getting attacked. Right?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to run off that direction. I'll go this way. Then then you're gonna want to hold as still as possible because you know people can't see things that are not moving, right?
Yes.
That was not his voice. That was just a bird. So you go over there. Make sure you can't see me because otherwise you might tell if I'm being attacked. And that'll cause human emotions, and human emotions we don't want because they get in the way of successful things. So, okay, go.
Gotcha. Alright.
Let's split up just out of view. What I want to do is we're gonna want to hide somewhere where it is obvious that the serial killer could find us. Like, you know, maybe in this corner, right? Or just here. Now, if you're thinking about yelling because the serial killer is approaching, remember to mute yourself. Because if you don't mute yourself, then you'll give away your location, which is obviously something you don't want to do.
I see what the joke is.
So,
remember to, and then you go mute. This is dumb.
Now, obviously, Cinnabon couldn't hear what I just said, but that's because he's the serial killer and I can't give him tricks away. So I had to mute myself, but also, I just did, but you don't know that because you're on the video. Anyway, so, we're gonna resume the serial killering.
Oh fuck, wait, I'm stuck.
Remember, it's like, oh my gosh, the serial killer!
I'm not... Wait, where is Jay even, Bill?
Okay, so that's basically what it'd be like if you were to get murdered. That's the worst case scenario, but that won't happen because these tips are so good. Now I'm just gonna follow Cinnabon around just to watch to see his tips on what thinking like a serial killer, because you know you want to think like a serial killer to avoid the serial killer, right?
Wow, I really missed you. You were down. You were below where I was.
No, I was over here, and I just tried to get away for a second there, but failed. I got stuck.
So that's how to run away from a serial killer with me,
Helmetman.
Thank you to Cinnabon for doing the actor, and also Jay for doing the actor.